Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Summer is hands down my favorite season, and one thing I love about summertime is being able to go outside, sit in the grass, and read my books, have snacks, or just enjoy time laying out in the sun and in nature. I'm loving this picnic blanket from Addison Bell. It protects me from the grass, which I'm allergic to, and it's so comfy and soft. Not only that, but the colors are so vibrant and they just pop off the fabric. The pinks and teals and purples are just gorgeous. There's a little bit of padding between the top material and the canvas-like fabric on the back, and that just makes it really soft and cozy. I really appreciate that even though the fabric on the back is a light color, it cleaned up really easily just throwing it in my washing machine and then hanging it on the line to dry. I love how compact it is, and I love how it folds up, and then I can just put it easily in the back of my car, and it's available and ready for anytime we want to stop and have an impromptu picnic or just sit on the grass and enjoy nature. Our whole family, including the cat, have just been loving this blanket from Addison Bell. It's so versatile. You can use it in many different locations. I really just love it, and that's my point of view.